top 10 Survivor audition videos have been posted. Go to cbs.com/cheers to book whoever you think deserves a live audition in Los Angeles. And be on the lookout for the premiere of Survivor Redemption Island, Wednesday, February 16th.
You know, as a mom, I worry about my son playing football, which is why I'm really excited. Because Toyota developed this software that can simulate head injuries in an accident and helps make people safer. Then they shared this technology with researchers at Wake Forest to help reduce head injuries on the football field. So, you know, I can feel a bit better about my son playing football.
How would you use Toyota technology to make a better world? Learn how to share your ideas at toyota.com/ideas for good.
Places, everyone.
Better move fast. It's your last chance to save up to 30% at select Walt Disney World Resort hotels for early spring travel days. Book through February 13th. But hurry, time is going fast.
No, right, left, no, the other left.
Kina, what are you doing, silly? Whoa, freaky ass eyes, dude.